So good evening, Dad. We are here in Kakata. Today we have been laying the tile here since, as you can see, this place is almost completed. So the tile you were talking about could not make it. So the small tile what we're having in here, I will try to just cover the sheet here so that the place will be clean. So this is, you can see, we want to put this tile here to make this place to look beautiful. Yeah, so this is it. You can see the palava hut. We are still here working at night. So here we are. This is it. We are working here. So we are putting this tile forever here. For us to be sitting here, we are going to put this tile here. You see, this is the veranda. It's banister. The banister. I'm going to put this all around here on the banister. Well, there's no way that it can go here now because it will look crossing. We don't have those tiles that can go here now. So we are only speaking chance to see how we can make this place so that the design can look so beautiful. So that is what we are doing here. So this is a palava hut. We are in here.